Good morning. This is Jason. This is the truck. I just wanted to do an update on the 450 that we bought. My dad bought. They've come over. It's still sitting in the same spot. Give you a refresher. It has been in a flood, in a very big flood down in Florida. We've been replacing electronics, trying to get it turned over and start, checking out everything that we need to get this thing running. We don't know if we're going to, but it seems like the seats and stuff are all in good shape. As you can see, we have it all tore apart. My uncle and my dad came and worked on it the last 2 Saturdays. Kind of give you guys an update of where we're at and what's going on. So we did get a new center console, I guess you can call it. So all these gauges are new, trailer brake controllers new, 4-wheel drive. These were all super corroded. They are back there. You can kind of see on that. Close up on there. Right there on that on the trailer brake controller. All of it's just way corroded. There's pins. This was broke off on the back of the air conditioning unit. So now we're just working on it. Dude, it looks like they've been in here. So we can take that apart and see what they found. Yeah, quite a bit in there. We did get installed a brand new cluster. So I'll turn this on for you guys. Before you turn the key, nothing happens. Now we put the key in, tells us the mileage, which from Coparts we thought it was a lot less than that. We thought it was like 40,000, not 104,000. But everything turns on. Tells you that the door is ajar, low fuel level, needs an oil change, check the coolant additive. Passenger doors ajar, they must not have shut door tire, or it's not reading. So still flickering, so we still got a few little things. The coil light does shut off. We'll do a quick crank. Hopefully they don't have anything undone that we don't need. Oh, it's so close. It wants to start, and it does want to start, but we gotta double check a few things, make sure we don't burn anything up. They did, down by the fuses, under there is a 4-wheel drive control unit that they replaced. We do have a radio. I believe that the whole My Touch system we have taken out, but I believe that we have ordered new ones for it. So it should be coming. Hopefully they ordered the navigation unit there. And we have replaced quite a few things on this. Still not up to where we need it to be, but this is going to be a nice truck when we get it going. Hopefully it's not too long, much longer. If you guys do have any comments or anything that you think we should be checking out to get this going faster, let us know. Yeah, we got everything tore apart underneath. Everything's rusty, but we'll get it all put back together, make sure it's safe. We are going to have to do something with this appearance, because these little tires on this truck are not going to cut it. I don't even think they're safe to drive. So if you guys have any thoughts, or anybody, if anyone watches this and thinks we should lift the thing up or slam it down, or I think we should put 37s on it and a lift and drive it how F450 should be driven. But I don't even know if you can hear me with the wind out here. So hopefully everything will get going pretty soon. Just trying to open this hood out. I forget where that latch is on this one. But yeah, so we should be, hopefully we'll get it going pretty soon. We got a bunch more parts ordered. We'll get them on and keep you guys updated. See how fast we can get this thing going. But yeah, and if you think we should definitely change out these little teeny little tires, I don't even know what size these are, but I think we should. Well, looks like they're only yeah, those are small little tires. I don't even know if they're the same up here in the back and the front, and those didn't handle very well. Those are pitted. But so that's our update for it. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything, we're getting there. Thanks.